Assalamu alaikum class, how are you? I am your teacher from the Educators FM campus. Today we are going to learn about vertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals which have a backbone. They can be classified into 5 different groups: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. These are the 5 groups of vertebrates. Fish. Fish are vertebrates that live in water. All fish breathe through gills. Most fish have skin covered with scales. Young fish hatch from soft eggs called spawn. These are the features of fish group. Amphibians. An amphibian is a vertebrate that spends part of its life in water and part of its life on land. Amphibians उन जानदारों को कहते हैं जो कि अपनी ज़िंदगी का कुछ हिस्सा पानी में और कुछ हिस्सा ज़मीन पर गुजारते हैं. When amphibians are young, they live in the water and breathe through gills. As they grow older, they develop lungs to survive on land. A thick, slimy substance called mucus protects the skin and helps to keep it moist. Amphibian eggs are called spawn. Reptiles. Reptiles have dry, scaly skin and breathe through lungs. They lay eggs on land. The eggs of some reptiles have leathery shells. Turtle and crocodile is the example of reptiles. Birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers. All birds have wings, but not all of them can fly. Birds breathe through lungs. They hatch from eggs. Usually the female lays her eggs in a nest. The parents bird feed and protect the young birds until they can look after themselves. These are the characteristics or features of birds. Mammals. Mammals are covered with fur and hair. They breathe air through their lungs. Female mammals give birth to babies and feed them on milk produced in special body cells. Lion, cat, rabbit, elephant are the mammals. Okay students, I hope your concept is clear. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.